Anyway, guys, welcome to Truly Entertainment. Thank you so much for joining me. Don't forget to subscribe, to like, a comment. Happy Wednesday, happy 2026. So, guys, Inumrolong is just currently trending. There's a video Inumrolong that is circulating around social media, guys. You can see her cuckoo, guys. Obviously, you know the rules. Zaka YouTube, you are not allowed to see that. But if you want to see the video, you can just go to X, formerly known as Twitter, guys. Cape Town Unfiltered, guys. So, just remember when Vuyokazi she was trending ngale ndaba yakhe yazonzo Inumrolong, she was one of the women that made a situation worse, guys. We only Vuyokazi only posted one video where she was kissing Zonzo, guys, but Inumrolong posted more videos of Vuyokazi together with Zonzo, and people were like, we knew very well once you start hanging nabo Inumrolong, your brand will be destroyed. So people are saying, this is the karma. You made a situation yaka Vuyokazi worse. Yes, Vuyokazi, she was wrong, but you were trying so hard to expose Vuyokazi, guys. So some people are happy to see a video yaka Inumrolong trending, but one thing about Inumrolong, guys, I don't even care. Yesterday she posted a picture half naked. You can see she wanted to trend. It's been long not talking about Inumrolong, guys. Some people always believe, a bad publicity is not. The more you trend, the more you make money. I don't know how they do it, because, guys, there are people that they don't even need to do anything. About Neo Muluisane, guys. One thing about Neo Muluisane, if you can go to her YouTube channel, that woman she's doing so well for herself. I'm very proud of her. So anyway, guys, tell me in the comment section what you think about this. Don't forget to subscribe, to like, and comment. Happy Wednesday, happy 2026. Bye.